zombie pala. Kaya,
And it's really special to me. Lahat ng plano namin, unti-unti namin siyang napopolish.
hey, Joe. That's my name. Also this one.
Let's go. Literally just got the message that this package arrived, and I've been waiting for this since December, guys. So I got a message, an email from a Korean brand, and they're saying that they are launching a parang makeup brand very soon, and sobrang ganda nung heart and vision ng brand nung nag-present sila. And they're telling me na they are releasing 20 shades of this. And literal kasi sinabi ko talaga, kailangan ba talaga ganun kadaming shades sa first launch? You know, guys, as someone in the industry na nag-try din ako talaga mag-launch ng beauty brand of my own before, I know how hard it is to develop makeup brand, let alone shade ranges na sobrang dami. Sa totoo lang, as a shy introvert girl, okay na ako sa sidelines at sa likod-likod lang, sa gilid-gilid lang sumusuporta sa mga friends ko na nagiging face ng brands and all, nagiging ambassador or endorser and all. So parang for this brand to consider me to be part of their launching and to be their face is sobrang big thing nun. So una sa lahat, inisip ko na pag naging face ako nito, baka naman mamaya, pangit to. Ayoko ng pangit, ayoko mapahiya. Mas okay nang wala na lang akong ipopromote kesa yung mapapahiya ako. So I immediately parang ask if meron bang mga trials and testers. And actually, nagbigay talaga sila ng mga testers and for a long time. Kaya, di ba yung pinapakita ko sa inyong powder is yung sira-sira kong powder. Kasi before that, yun na talaga yung tinetest ko na talaga siya, guys. And mamaya papakita ko sa inyo. Mag-explain talaga ako ng sobra. Pakita ko sa inyo. May dalawa yung ganito ko, guys. Naubos ko na talaga yung isa. So, this is the trial kit. So, tinest-test ko pa talaga siya. Tingnan nyo guys kung gaano nakatagal ko tong tinetest para mag-fade yung pentel pen dito. You can tell that I really like it kapag na-hit pan ko siya. Sinisikreto ko siya medj, pero low-king ginagamit ko na talaga siya. So for the longest time, ito yung powder ko. Yung mga testing stages nila, talagang tinry ko muna and all. Kasi guys, feeling ko to be a face of the brand, it's something na mabigat na trabaho for a content creator. Kasi kapag ikaw yung face nun, parang branding mo yun or parang image mo yun. So, dapat hindi ka papayag na pangit siya or hindi ka dapat mapapahiya. So, talagang sobrang ilang months ko din siyang pinisip. Tatanggapin ko ito, no? I accepted nung nagustuhan ko na talaga yung final product nila. And sobrang kabado ko talaga. In-overthink ko siya malala kasi feeling ko hindi naman ako talaga modeling material, guys. Like, hindi ako super photogenic, hindi ako magaling mag-post. It's going to be my first time to be a face of a Korean brand. Kasi last time na naging face ako, parang Filipino brand, ganon, ganyan. And usually talaga guys, parang sponsor lang, hindi talaga literal na parang face. Ikaw yung mukha ng launch. Gets mo ba yun? And nung December kami nag-shoot. And feeling ko nakita nyo na yun, na kasama ko si Cristel Uni dun sa shoot. So, sobrang happy ko kasi grabe yung pag-aalaga ni Cristel Uni sa akin. Like, para ko talaga siyang senior ko siya syempre, pero literal na parang inalagaan niya ako doon kasi feeling niya yun nga first time ko sa ganong klaseng shoot. I'm gonna try to put the vlog here inside this video kasi syempre memorable pa rin yung shoot na yun. It's my first time to be na ma-makeup pa ng isang professional na makeup artist and hairstylist na Korea. Sobrang galing nila. Yung buong Korean team neto, sobrang galing din and sobrang, basta, bottom line is, umupo muna tayo dito. Anyway guys, unbox na natin to. Parang for a startup brand, I'm not expecting na sobrang wide nung shade range kasi nga mahirap i-pull off yun and all. Yung talagang point nila ng pag-make nung brand na to is for you to find your true identity. Of course, with that, yung confidence mo, ganyan. Starting off with your shade or your color. So, kaya gusto talaga nila ma-provide yung as much as they can, yung magandang shade range talaga para everyone can find their own shade match. So yun guys, they wanted to start a product that delivers quality but also offers options that actually works for Filipino. So after trying this product for literally months. Di ko na mabilang. Nag-hit pa na siya. I could really say na sobrang true to its claim ng lahat ng Kinlame. Ang ganda ng formulation. Like, it's lightweight, it's thin, but at the same time, guys, it covers everything that needs to be covered. Oh my God! Look! Grabe, it's kind of crazy seeing this. You don't usually see this sa mga powder foundations na ganito kadaming line. Sobrang na-pull off talaga nila. Kiniklaim nila na 20 shades for everyone and all. First time kong maging model ng isang Korean brand and I'm happy and proud na ito yung tinanggap kong pagmamodel. Kasi talagang guys, iba yung heart nila and iba ang mga Koreans when it comes to beauty products. Think of it this way, na parang sa sobrang dami ng K-beauty brands, powder foundation sa market, literal guys. Why would you still launch, diba? For them to launch something this big, I know they are confident with their like formulation and naniniwala sila na sobrang okay to and perfect to and mag-work to for all Filipinos. And honestly guys, for powder foundation, sa totoo lang aminin na natin, it's either too light or too dark. Ganun talaga yung mga powder foundation. Even sa skin tone ko guys, ang hirap din talaga makahanap ng perfect. So I don't think hindi pa ako makakahanap ng perfect one sa lagay na to. So sobrang dami. Grabe yung shade. Again guys, look at that shade range, diba? I'm gonna swatch everything para makita nyo rin yung shade and baka try nyo mag-gauge or ma-match kung ano yung shade nyo dito. And since hindi pa sila available offline, what they did for this launch, they will give you 3 options guys for the price of 1. For example, ako ang shade ko is 12N. Nandito ako sa light. I'm fair light 12N. So, it means to say, ibibigay din nila si 11.5, yung shade before that, and yung shade after that, which is si 12.5N. Para mag-gauge nyo talaga and para matry nyo talaga kung ano yung perfect shade nyo, yun po yung promo for today's video. And ayun, so sana masupport nyo yung launch na to guys. Of course, kung may powder pa kayo, hindi ko naman kayo pipilitin bumili kasi nakita nyo naman kung gaano ako nag-hit pan muna ako talaga bago talaga ako bumili ng bagong product. And that's what I want every one of you to do as well. Don't buy something you don't need. So for me lang, if you're looking for a new powder or if you are someone na struggling to find your perfect match na shade or nagsettle na lang kayo sa pwede na shade or okay na to. Kasi honestly, ako yun guys, nagsettle na lang talaga ako sa shade nung aking powder before. Diba medyo mas maputi yun and all. Wala talagang perfect. Minsan pinaghahalo or ang ginagawa ng lahat, alam niyo yan, kung nanonood talaga kayo, mahilig kayo sa beauty, ang ginagawa is naglalagay na lang ng contour kasi masyadong light yung powder. Gets nyo ba yun? I'm really thankful to Upmake for including me in this launch. This is a really big thing for a Korean brand to release 20 shades of powder foundation na hindi lang basta-basta. Sobrang lightweight, it's thin, the formulation is really good, and it covers everything that needs to be covered. Especially for Filipinos, alam natin yan na ayaw natin ng greasy, ayaw natin ng ang kapal, ayaw natin ng sobrang kapal na makeup kasi ang katen, ang init, and ang humid sa atin, ang araw-araw pa. So parang nanlalapot ka, napapunta ka pa lang sa opisina. So they really try to formulate it in ways na Filipinos like us can enjoy yung powder foundation without the hassle of nakakainis, nakakakapal, and all. And yun guys, so kung iisipin nyo naman na 3 options yung ibibigay nila sa'yo for the price of 1, sayang naman yung dalawa. You can still use it. Honestly guys, dito sa Korea, natutunan ko ding gamitin yung parang yung mag-shading ka talaga. I think for beauty lovers, magigets nyo yun na parang dito mas darker side, para may illusion or may shadow na parang mas maliit yung mukha nyo dito. Di ba parang may mga ganon? Ituturo ko rin sa inyo yun sa next few videos natin. But yeah, you can still use it or give it to your mom. Pero at least, di ba, meron kayong options. So, ayun lang naman guys. Thank you so much naman sa pakikinig sa aking TED Talk. TED Talk, kahit nabilad na po ako sa araw. Sorry guys, kasi kapag dito ko nilagay, against the universe. O, di ba? And kasama ko nga pala dito sa campaign na to si Cristel Uni. Sobrang thankful din ako kay Cristel Uni. Kasi grabe, hanggang nung gabi na pagka-uwi, okay ka ba? Ganyan. I know na first time mo, sana natuwa ka, blah, 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 blah. Alam mo yun, sobrang hands-on din niya as a senior. So, ayun. Again, thank you sa team ng Upmake, sa nag-invento, sa founder po nito. Good job. Good job! Feeling ko, if anything, yung reklamo ko talaga dito, guys, is yung sana meron na agad silang base products to pair this with. Alam niyo yun guys, hindi ko to tatanggapin. Ayoko maging model ng something na hindi ko gagamitin. So I really made sure to use it months, almost a year na, before actually agreeing to this launch. So again guys, maraming salamat. I don't think na mangyayari to if not for all of you who've been supporting me the past 10 years. 10 years na ba ako sa YouTube? Or 8 years? Or 9 years? Ganon. So maraming salamat. Hindi ko akalain na aabot sa time na magiging model ako ng isang Korean brand. And I'm proud na ito pa yung naging model ako. Something, a brand that really promotes confidence and true identity. Yung magpakatotoo lang ba tayo? Yeah, I'm so happy for this campaign and I hope you support it. Thank you so much for that wonderful TED Talk po. Okay guys, commercial break. So, dapat magsiswatch lang kasi talaga ako para makita niyo yung shades. Pero, pagkabukas ni June, nahiya ako! Hindi ko kaya buksan. Look! Sikis na ito ni! Kaming dalawa. Oh my God! Ito pala yung poster! Tingnan nyo, hindi ko pinakita sa inyo kanina. So it says, discover your tone ID 20 shades created from real Filipino skin data powered by science and real voices. So talagang inaral nila yung mga common shades na need natin as Filipinos. Ang claim is, stays fresh from morning to night. Totoo yan talaga guys. Nakikita nyo naman sa vlogs ko. Yung powder na ginagamit ko, last 2025 yun. Hanggang ngayon. Yun lang. Isang powder lang. Feather lightweight, looks invincible, feels nothing. First time seeing the actual packaging na talagang na-receive ko siya, ganun. Kasi nung shoot, sobrang busy, hindi na nag-sink in sa akin. But, here it is! Ayan guys, so kung 12N ako, makukuha ko rin si 11.5 and I'll also get yung 12.5. So guys, let's swatch it on my skin para makita nyo. So my shade is 12.0N. So this is 12.0N on my skin. This is yung blended version. Yan. Sa tabi nito, we have 11.5. This one naman is 11.5. So next we have 12.5. So these are my 3 options so far. So gusto ko lang kayo bigyan ng idea kung ano yung makikita nyo kapag meron kayo ng 3 options. So now you can choose which shade is your parang nearest match and then hindi kayo matatakot na magkamali kasi you also get to have the other 2 shades. So ayun lang. This is it. Gulat na gulat si Mami. Ang dami daw shades.
Oo, a lot of shades.
Gulat na gulat siya.
20.
Grabe, sobrang dami.
Siyempre kung ako bibili, siguro at most I can buy 2 shades.
Ang promo is, bibili ka ng isa, you get 3. Para makuha mo talaga yung shade match mo.
Wow. Ang galing ng promo. Bibiling isa, take 3.
Take 3.
Wow.
Cool, diba?
I like the name. Alam mo yun? Ang galing nila ditong gumawa ng pangalan. Upmake, di ba?
Upmake.
Make up,
Upmake.
Alam mo,
Para
ako-
makuha mo talaga yung totoong identity mo. Ayan, 20 shades.
Oo, pero pag nakuha mo na, hindi, bibili mo pa ba yung iba?
Eh, syempre, yun na lagi shade mo.
Oo nga.
Eh, di hanap ka ng sarili mong shade.
Pero ito, nandito ang shade range ko eh.
Talaga? Ito shade ko. May shade ka dito. Ano shade mo?
Yung unang-una sa dulo.
Ang galing! O, di ba may powder ka na? Mahirap hanapin sa mamang ng shade kasi medyo maputi sa kanya lahat. Ano kaya sa'yo? Yung pinakamaputi. Kasi maputi ka eh.
Parang isang tayong kulay, be.
Hindi, mas maputi ka.
Ano ba yan? Siguro ito.
Oo, second to the ano si mami.
Makeup set.
Lipstick!
Time check, it's I think mga 6 a.m. Call time is 8 a.m. So my pickup would be at 7 a.m. I have a shoot today. It's my first time to shoot here in Korea. It's my first time to be in this big campaign. So I'm really thankful for this opportunity. Tulog pa si Jun tsaka si Sandy. So I'm gonna take a bath na. And yes, kaya po naka-jacket kasi ang ginawa. Pinapainit ko yung sarili ko. Dun yung makeup dun lahat. Wala akong dadalhin. So, hindi naman ako masyadong stress. Pero kinakabahan ako. Kasi gusto ko, syempre, ma-deliver yung expectations. So, okay, bye. Hello, everyone. Wala ko ilalagay at all. Spray lang ako ng Mediol para mas strengthen po ang ating scalp. I think it's gonna be a long day for me. They will be the one to style my hair, so I don't need to put anything. Actually, remember when I have shoots, sinasabi pa ako ng hairstylist na huwag mag-conditioner. So, hindi rin ako nag-conditioner. Yun. Pero I think Mediol is okay because para siyang vitamins for the hair. Last, sunscreen. So, two of the most important things to do in having like shoots or big events, tapos magpapaglam kayo or magpapamakeup kayo, is I think sunscreen pa din. Going to the venue. Also for hair, of course, mga hair care, ganyan. That's it. You know the drill. Black sunscreen. Link ko yan in the description box. Usually, they have promos naman kapag double digit. So, you can add to cart na lang or pre-order. Time check 6:50. I have 10 minutes to dry my hair. Annyeong! Oh, yun, dyan ka! Ako din. Nag-face mask ka ba?
Oo, sa biyahe.
Ako hindi.
Wala. Team no sleep. Team zombie pala, no? Kasi na make. Kinuha niyang model zombie.
Things have been complicated, baby. Why do things have to be this way? Baby, don't think too much. Won't get out. Don't wanna go home alone tonight. 보내지 않겠다고 말해. Baby, tell me that you feel it too. 너와 함께 있으면 난 몸이 뜨거워져 all night. Just wanna feel your touch. 조금 더 가까이. Tell me your name. Tell me your name. Tell me your secrets. Don't worry, I'll keep them. Tell me your name. Tell me your name. Tell me your secrets. I'll keep them. Oh baby, never been a sure. 날 안아줘. 같이 있어줘. Oh no, I ain't coming.
Look who's here! Sunny! Sakto. Sunny! Up, up! Dito siya. Dahil niya.
Ganyan, kitan mo. Not.
Ang dilim pa. Kita niyo ba yun? Ano tayo magmo-morning walk lang ganyan ka? Ay, wow! Kuunan siya eh. Time check. It's 7:30. And guys, tingnan nyo. Madilim pa talaga. Talagang na-realize ko this time na pag nagigising ako ng sobrang aga like this one, sobrang happy ko talaga. As in, parang ang sipag ko, ganon. Tapos parang ang dami kong magagawa for the day. Then waking up a little later na parang medyo mas, mas parang ina-anxiety ako na, oh my God, ang dami ko pang gagawin. Late na ako nagising. Kahit na yung gising ko naman is parang mga 9 a.m. ganon. So anyway, hindi ko alam kung paano ko aayusin yung mindset ko na ganun. Kasi parang feeling ko, hindi naman dapat ako harsh sa sarili ko. Especially lalo na kapag weekends naman. Pero anyway, ewan ko ba. Okay, I'm just gonna prep and then we're gonna walk. Kita niyo ba guys? Parang ang foggy. Sobrang foggy. Hindi ko na kwento sa inyo guys. Umuwi na pala si daddy nung January 5. Originally kasi flight nila mami, January 5 talaga. Tapos, nag-extend si mami, sabi niya hanggang 9 or 10. So sabi ko, okay fine. Tapos,
bigla nung mga 8 na sabi niya, ano na lang, 14 ba? Tapos naging 15, naging 16. And sabi ko nung time na mag-extend siya ng 15 or 16, kinakabahan na ako kasi last year, around mga August, grabe August pa pala na-book nila Tita Bea to, no? Or June. Kasi nagpaplano na sila, babe, no? A year ago pa nila napaplano. So, bibisita yung family ni June dito sa amin. So, kinakabahan ako kasi mag-overlap. And maliit nga yung apartment para mag-overlap yung dalawang parties or kahit isang party nga lang. Sobrang liit lang talaga ng apartment ko, guys. So, sabi ko, hala, paano kaya yun i-handle? So, sinabi ko naman kay mami and yun. So, ang ginawa nila is tinuloy nila yung Busan and all, which is sayang di ako nakasama, guys. Ang ganda-ganda pa naman ng Busan. Sobrang favorite ni mamang. Hindi na ako nag-vlog, pumunta ako sa hotel nila kasi kumain kami doon ng Gangnam Yeonok, yung Galbi Gym. So, si mami nakailang extend na po. Kaya naman, nag-hotel na lang sila sa last few nights nila kasi nga, may bibisita tayo and all. Ako ay ang kalat ng, ang kalat ko na naman, guys. Wait. Wala bang makapal-kapal dito? Sabi niya. Ang tagal. So, wait lang. Okay, let's go. Okay. Super foggy, oh. Okay, guys. So, as promised, this is my second life update. And it's really special to me. Kasi looking back, parang alam niyo yun, parang lahat ng to before is just a dream and plano lang siya. And now, parang lahat ng plano namin, unti-unti namin siyang napapolish. And sobrang proud ko lang sa sarili ko kasi hindi talaga madaling mag-start over. Ang dami ko talagang pinagdaanan behind the camera na sana hopefully ma-share ko kapag nakaahon na ako soon sa part ng life ko na yun. Anyway, finally, today's walk is quite special kasi we are heading towards Yonsei University. We're gonna try kung paano yung path kasi June is finally accepted and enrolled na talaga siya. Like, paid na yung tuition and may schedule na siya ng classes. Yun yung life update ko. Kasi a lot of you are asking and i-share ko naman sa inyo lahat kapag okay na. Naniniwala kasi talaga ako, guys, na kapag may something special or may something very, very important kang gustong mangyari sa life mo. Ako personally, ayoko siyang i-announce unless nagawa ko na siya or nangyari na siya. Hindi ko alam kasi parang dati pag ina-announce ko, laging napupurnada or parang nagde-delay or hindi natutuloy, ganun. Kaya rin ako nandyan sa apartment na yan kasi malapit siya sa dalawang school na gusto namin. Actually, sa 3 school. So, really the plan is for June to study muna ng 1 sem, then susunod ako kasi para alam niya na yung first sem, tapos matutulungan niya ako, ganun. And also, syempre, kakamadahin pa namin na meron tayong dog. So, of course, kailangan may mag-walk kay Sandy, may magbababa sa kanya 3 times a day. So, yan. So, now we're like trying to walk to see if walkable. Pero walkable talaga siya. I think it's a 15-minute walk from the apartment. So nice. Fun fact, guys, ito yung maganda and sikat na strip tuwing spring. Puro cherry blossom trees yan. Yeah, cherry blossom trees yan lahat. If you remember, guys, dinala ko dito si Marvin. Kasi wala. Spring things, gano'n, nung nag-spring. Kasama kami. Ito yung lalakarin mo, tol. Kaya mo? Parang ang lamig. Oh, may mga bus naman. Like, pag bus, siguro mga 10 minutes or 8 minutes. Pero siguro kapag nice yung weather, nice yung walk, di ba? Sobrang happy ko kasi parang feeling ko I'm in the middle of something I've only dreamt about before. Like, minsan parang, naalala ko dati, nasa planning stage pa lang na, parang mag-aaral, mag-student si June, mag-aaral siya here, and then susunod ako mag-aaral and all. And now, parang mas nagiging, kami, at home, feel at home, at peace, and comfortable dito sa Korea. The first year talaga, full of adjustments and madaming fail na decisions and adjustments. This year, mas okay na. So, ayan. At the end of this road, ayan na yung school. Okay, let me show you. Lakad pa tayo. Nagulat si Jun, hindi ko nakuha na ng vlog. Ano masasabi ko? Joke lang. Ang lapit lang, lalakarin mo ba?
Pero kasi doon pa yung language institute na right side. Ito na yung campus guys. Pero yung building niya, dun pa sa kabilang side. Feeling ko another 10-minute walk or hike. Kasi medyo mataas yun. Sandy's first visit. Picture ka dun sa Yonsei, Sandy. Ito pala ay kasama sa kanilang parang big trip ba, babe? Parang dito sa Korea guys, ang tawag is SKY. So S is Seoul National, K is babe? Korean University, and then Y is Yonsei University. And sabi nila yung description is parang ito yung Ateneo nila. Danny, selfie tayo dito, Dali! Say, take a picture. Danny, this is my school! Sandy School!
아무렇지 않은 척해도 작은 손짓으로 끌리는 네 모든 touch 천천히 올라타 Don't rush 남보다 다르던 거 알아 우리 조금 더 솔직해볼까 You gotta call me baby all night
Anyway guys, pabalik na kami. Talagang chinek lang namin kung gaano kahaba yung walk. So, a lot of you for sure are interested kung paano maging student dito. And the best advice I could give, yung tip ko is for you to check yung school na gusto nyong pasukan. So, sobrang daming school dito sa Korea. And for me, lahat sila magaganda. Meron sa Busan, meron sa kung saang provinces din. And of course, dito sa Seoul. So, yung mga school na yon, tingnan nyo kung ano yung gusto nyong atake. Kasi iba-iba sila. For example, si Sogang University, talagang may speaking sila, mas more on speaking and conversation, while si Yonsei is medyo theoretical, or medyo mas mahirap daw ganon. Iwan naman is parang balance and all. So, do your research and choose the school, and then from there, punta kayo sa mga website nila, andun lahat ng application form. So dito sa Korea guys, sobrang bilis ng lahat. You can email the school, nagre-reply sila just a few minutes after your email, if not within the day. Also, meron din namang mga scholarship grants, like yung isa kong friend, GSK scholar, I think siya, ganon. So parang all expenses paid ng Korean government, yung kanyang stay here. Update ko kayo kung saang school ako, pero for sure, this year's goal is to also start learning Korean language para makapag topic. Okay, welcome to Sinchon. This is our neighborhood. And para lang talaga siyang literal guys, Myeongdong. Myeongdong na mas low-key sa shopping kasi actually nandito rin lahat ng shops ng Myeongdong. Alam nyo kung nasaan? Nandito sa mall na to. So this is the Hyundai Uplex. Nandyan lahat ng mga popular Korean brands. So feeling ko kahit saang neighborhood sa Korea, reachable naman yung mga dapat na ma-reach. Hey! Good morning everyone. Woke up in Jeju Island. Yesterday was our flight and we rented a car kasi honestly may work lang talaga ako dito. Tapos hindi na sana ako magba-vlog kaso sayang naman yung mga idle time ko dito sa kotse and all. So naisip ko mag-vlog na lang ako. I've been to Jeju a few times already. So I have a few videos na very Jeju focused, like yung mga tours, attractions, places to visit, and hotels na magsistay kayo. So I'll just link it down below. But for this trip, feeling ko wala lang. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung experience ko with the car rental kasi I highly suggest you rent a car here in Jeju Island for as low as like 3,000 pesos for 3 days. Marami ng mga car rentals yan. Ililink ko yung car rental na pinagrentan namin kasi hassle-free siya in a way na self-pick up and yung mga parang, ang tawag doon, yung mga IDs and yung mga international drivers permit mo, kailangan mo lang siyang i-upload online. Tapos i-check nila, then approve na, whatsoever, ganon. So, wala lang, ang dali lang. Gagawa na lang ako ng TikTok about it. Pero yung link ng car rental na I highly suggest, ililink ko na lang sa description box. Actually, discounted link yun. Pero wala naman akong commission doon. Discounted lang siya kapag yun doon kayo nag-book. Few times na nag-Jeju kami, napapansin ko talaga, hindi kami masyadong nagpa-public transportation, which is ang common dito, bus. Kasi nga, yung timing ng bus, hindi siya masyadong aligned sa timing namin. So, ang hirap naman mag-antay for 20 minutes, 30 minutes, or even 40 minutes. Most of the time, napansin ko, nagta-taxi kami para mas marami kami mapuntahan. Although, hindi naman mahal yung taxi. Ang saya lang din ng naka-car para, di ba, hindi na para mag-antay pa. And there's a lot of parking spaces for the majority of the places and tourist spots dito. Para malalaki talaga yung mga parking lots nila. Kasi feeling ko, Jeju is really, parang pinopromote talaga ng Jeju yung pag-rent ng car. Yan. Yan lang, share lang. First stop of the day, it's actually a 40-minute to 1-hour drive to go here in Sindu Port. This is, sa tingin namin sa maps, ito yung isang dulo ng Jeju Island. So we drove here just because we wanted a nice coastal drive or shot of the car that we rented. And wala lang, masaya lang mag-photo and i-enjoy yung scene na nakapark saglit yung car sa gilid. Ang saya rent ng convertible kasi parang ang saya i-enjoy yung air, yung weather, and all. Actually, parang parking space to, guys. Ayan. Yan. Yung mga car din na nakapark dun sa dulo. Pero konti lang yung tao right now. So, we're kind of enjoying the place all to ourselves.
Picture kayo.
Aw, sweet ni Jun. Picture daw ako. Narinig ko ba yan? Live update! May truck! Buti na lang guys, dito sa Jeju, parang safe sila lahat mag-drive. Tapos, usually sa city area and sa downtown, yung mga ganito, kahit rural, parang max is 50 kph. And kapag naman sa mga toll, ay mga expressway nila, max 80. So, talagang safe na safe mag-drive. And, ayun o, halos walang traffic. Walang people. So, on to our next stop. Ako naman yung nag-drive. Wala lang. Malapit ko na nga ibigay ulit kay Jun eh. Second stop! We're in Xinchang Windmill. Ang ganda-ganda nung drive na dinaanan natin. And sobrang friendly talaga nung lakaran dito sa Jeju Island. So, sobrang gusto kong isuggest sa inyo na makapag-drive and makapunta kayo dito guys. I swear, sobrang ganda ng Jeju Island. Look! We're here in the parking lot. And parking lot pa lang, panalo na. Pwede na tayo mag-picture dito. So, this is actually a popular walking path para makita yung windmill. Yun lang. As in, maglalakad ka, may mga windmill dyan, and may activities dun sa area na pwede kayong sumakay ng horse, something like that. And also, meron ding mga silver grass, yung mga pinuntahan natin sa Hanul Park, something like that. So, this is our view. Sa mismong parking, guys, meron talagang windmills. Sobrang ganda! Alam mo yung sikat dito, yung walking path na yan. So, parang lakad-lakad dyan, bike-bike. Or, ayan, meron din dito. Walking path din siya. Really, really beautiful, guys. And, this is the parking lot. Sinuwerte tayo sa parking lot na medyo, maganda. First time in this area, it's called Yeokje Beach. So, Yeokje Beach yung and ang masasabi ko lang, it's a vibe. And parang puro cherry blossom trees na naman siya. As in, isang hilera ng cherry blossom trees and a lot of cafes and cute stores. I swear, ang ganda dito. Cherry blossom trees, oh! Grabe. Third stop of the day, we're gonna go to Burial Cafe. This is our only free time here in Jeju, so we're making the most out of it. And this is just their public parking lot. Pero pwede na kayo mag-picture doon agad, oh. Ang ganda. Public lang to na parking lot. Oh, and may mga windmills doon. Nice. Let's go, guys. Grabe, guys. Ang daming mga cafe dito. Oh, the vibe is vibing. Ang cute ng cafe na to. Oh my God, guys. Ang ganda rin ng cafe na to. These two cafes, guys, ang ganda. Jeje Greener. Tapos yung isa is Burial. Ayan. saya ng moment dito. Grabe guys. Open lang siya. Pwede mong babain. And, ayun oh. Pwede ka maglakad pababa. Ang ganda ng sand. Sobrang clear ng water. Ay, grabe. Sobrang winner. Ang ganda. Ang ganda pa ng view. I think this is Songsan Ilchulbong. Siya yan, guys. O, diba? Ang nice din ng rooftop cafe na yon. Very nice view. Wow. Sobrang linaw ng water. Ang cute ng mga cactus. Tumubo na lang sila dito. Guys, ang cute ng photo booth na to. Nakaharap siya sa dagat. Ito yung upuan. And then, that's, yung Sunrise Peak. Ang cute! Oh my God! What? Cute! Horse! Nakakita tayo ng horse! Ano ba? Wala. Fourth stop, we're here in Ewol Cafe Street. Lapit na maging panahon ng halabong. I'm so happy and excited. Ang cute guys, ang daming nakabalance na stones.